Welcome back. Previously in ratio analysis, we have been dealing with liquidity ratios, solvency ratios, activity ratios, and we have dealt in detail all the sub ratios that comes under all these three heads, and we have also dealt with various cases and application level situations regarding each ratio. Let's deal with the next head, analysis of profitability or profitability ratios. One of the major objective or target of every business is to maximize its income or profits. As per one of the principles of financial management is maximization of profit, which is known as profit maximization. So we know that the ultimate object of every business is to maximize profit, because the profit is considered to be the efficiency yardstick or scale in measuring the efficiency or effectiveness of an organization. So as an organization is concerned, profitability is a most important factor, and proper analysis of profitability is of great importance in analyzing or measuring the effectiveness of an organization. So under ratio analysis, there is another head is known as analysis of profitability or profitability ratios, in which there are various methods that help in identifying and analyzing whether the organization is earning or making appropriate profits depending upon the performance of the organization. Mere earning profit is not a scale for measuring the efficiency. Profitability has to be measured depending upon the operations of the business. Operations in the sense means sales and all those activities that helps in increasing sales as well as profits. So profit of the organization has to be compared with the operations of the business. Depending upon the operations only, the profit earned by the business can be considered effectively or efficiently. So under analysis of profitability or profitability ratio, there are two major categories. First one, operating profitability ratios and overall profitability ratios. The difference regarding operating profitability ratio and overall profitability ratios mean, as the term suggests, in operating profitability ratios, the profit earned by the business on the basis of its business operations or on its base of operational activities. Unlike overall profitability ratio, it considers profits on the base of all those operations that may be directly linked with the business or indirectly linked with the business. That is the difference between operating profitability ratios and overall profitability ratio. And again, these two ratios are subdivided into different categories. Let's study in detail what are the various subcategories coming under operating profitability ratios. So under operating profitability ratio, it is a type of analysis of profit is related to the volume of operations or sales. Profit generated mainly out of its operations is known as profitability or profitability ratio on the basis of operations or operating profitability ratios. Some of the important profitability ratios or operating profitability ratios are: first one, gross profit ratio; second one, operating profit ratio, operating ratio, and finally net profit ratio. So under operating profitability ratio, these ratios helps in measuring whether the organization is earning adequate profits on the base of their business operations alone. Under this, non-operating activities are not considered, only operating activities are considered. On the basis of that, whether the organization is earning adequate profit depending upon their operations. Remember, mere earning of profit doesn't mean that organization is efficient. The profit on the base of profit, it has to be considered on the base of operations. Only on the base of operations only we can measure whether the organization is earning adequate profit or not. And regarding first one, gross profit ratio. As you all know, gross profit is a term or a first part of profit that helps in computing while dealing with trading profit and loss account. Gross profit ratio is the ratio of gross profit to net sales. It indicates the gross margin available to the company on every rupee of sales from which all indirect expenses are recovered, leaving a reasonable amount as net margin. We have dealt the same ratio, gross profit ratio, in the previous head, that is known as activity ratios, and in that head we have dealt in detail what is meant by gross profit ratio, what does it represent, and what does it means. Gross profit ratio is the initial part in the trading profit and loss account. It helps in measuring the organization operational efficiency. Here it studies the relationship between gross profit with respect to the sales of the organization. Sales in the sense means net sales of the organization. And we all know gross profit ratio can be computed by net sales minus cost of goods sold. We have dealt the same cases in the previous sessions. And next one, net sales. While computing net sales, you need to remember that sales returns or return inward has to be adjusted appropriately. And in the question, as we have discussed in the previous session, in the question either gross profit ratio will be given, no information regarding that, further information will be given. Gross profit, whenever you come across a question where gross profit ratio is given, it means that gross profit ratio represents that part of rate or percentage of sales. I hope I hope you all remember the same cases which we have dealt in the previous sessions. Just go through it. Next one, operating profit ratio or operating margin. While dealing with income statement in module 2, we have discussed in detail how to prepare a horizontal income statement. Under that, we have studied in detail what are the different heads or classification regarding computation of net profit from sales and so on. And operating profit is other name of earnings before interest and tax. It is otherwise known as operating margin. Unlike gross profit ratio, operating profit ratio has its importance in identifying the operational efficiency of the concern, because in gross profit ratio there is no standard norm for computation. It all depends on the nature and type of business. As I have told earlier, gross profit ratio is just a ratio. It should be helpful in providing information regarding whether the organization is able to cover all operating expenses and leave a reasonable net profit. But in operating profit ratio, it is a method of studying the organization's effectiveness in earning profit after meeting all operating expenses incurred in the regular course of the operations. It is a measure of operating efficiency of a business. It is the ratio calculated by dividing operating profit or earnings before interest and tax, otherwise known as EBIT, by net sales. We have discussed that part in the second module. Just go through that statement to identify. Sometimes in the question you may not be given the information regarding operating profit directly. You need to compute the operating profit on the basis of that statement. And the equation for finding the operating profit ratio is operating profit or earnings before interest and tax, otherwise known as operating margin, divided by net sales into 100. just acquaint with the various terms that are used synonymously. You may come across different terms, but be aware about the meaning of each terms. There is no separate standard for taking interpretation regarding the analysis. Organization maintaining higher ratio means the organization is efficient. Next one, operating ratio. Operating ratio doesn't represent the profitability part of the organization, because as I have told earlier, under this head there is proper analysis of profitability of the organization, but we can't always rely upon profits for studying efficiency. Sometimes we need to study the efficiency from the cost point of view. So another ratio, operating ratio. Operating ratio is a cost ratio and not a profit ratio, which we have discussed earlier. It is a relation between operating cost and net sales, because profitability is a scale for measuring the efficiency, but costs also play an important role in identifying the efficiency of the organization. Organization who is able to minimize its operating costs can effectively improve its profit side. So operating profit ratio is also an important ratio in identifying the efficiency of the organization. The equation for finding the operating ratio is operating cost divided by net sales into 100. And the operating cost can be computed by adding cost of sales plus operating expenses. Operating cost, as the term suggests, it is a cost incurred by the organization, especially for their operating purpose. Every business is operating for increasing or improving or making sales. So in order to make sales, the various costs incurred by the organization are cost for sales as well as operating expenses. Cost sales or cost of sales or cost of goods sold, all these terms are used synonymously. Its meaning remains the same. Cost of goods sold, we have dealt in detail in different classes regarding cost of sales or cost of goods sold, and you know the equation for identifying cost of sales or cost of goods sold. Whereas operating expenses, we have dealt in some cases only. Operating expenses means administration expenses, selling expenses, distribution expenses, and in some cases maybe depreciation is also concerned. So operating expenses include administration, selling and distribution, and sometimes depreciation. That depends upon the details given in the question. Usually operating expenses consisting of these first three items. And operating profit ratio as well as operating ratio are complementary to each other, because in operating profit, in both the ratios used for measuring the operational efficiency of the concern. Here operating profit ratio, here efficiency is measured from the profit point of view, whereas operating ratio here measures the efficiency from the cost point of view. So for example, if just imagine a business or an organization. When we compared operating profit ratio, we found that their operating profit ratio is 60%. It means the remaining 40% with regard to operating ratio. That's why we hear the sentence says that operating profit ratio and our operating ratio are complementary to each other. If the organization is able to increase their profit 60% on the basis of operational profit, it means that remaining 40% depends upon operating ratio. That's why here is a relation. So the equation, again there is one small equation where operating profit ratio equal to 100 minus operating ratio. At the same time, operating ratio can be compounded by 100 minus operating profit ratio. This equation can be used synonymously, because both the cases the concept remains the same, but the scenario or the background on the basis for which efficiency is measured is different. One is based on profit, other is based on cost. Just go through all these concepts. We will deal about further profitability ratios in the coming sessions. That's all. Thank you.